Oh my god, I just fell down.
I can't.
My knee gave out. Oh my god. I'll hobble back on over. How embarrassing.
Anywho, welcome back to Hot Girl Kitchen. I'm Melissa.
Okay, I wasn't ready to start.
Oh.
After I just was horrifically injured.
Oh, I thought that you were joking.
No, like I actually fell. Okay, we've had our on-set medic come and go, and they have addressed the horrific injury that I have,
Get it out! What's happening?
I don't know, I think I'm having, like, a stroke.
What? I don't even know what you could have maybe been trying to say, but, like, I was holding my breath for you to finish, and then I would have passed out if I waited.
Okay, now that the medics have come and treated my onset injury, I am ready to bravely continue through the day to bring you this content. So you're welcome, and in exchange for my heroic acts,
You will subscribe.
it's the least you could do after I'm putting my life on the line for you. Like, show some gratitude. I mean,
Don't
come
be
on.
rude. No one likes a rude bitch.
Except for us.
Yeah, we love
We're the rude bitches.
But, like, not right now. I really wouldn't enjoy you being rude.
Not even a little.
So subscribe. And with that, you're probably like, wow, guys.
Once you subscribe, yeah, now you unlock the content. So, what are we unlocking for them today?
Today we are doing a crispy rice appetizer. Well, it could be an appetizer, a snack, a
Could
side.
be dinner,
Yeah, it could be dinner.
depending on how few calories you eat a day. I mean,
It's somewhat similar to nigiri, which is, if you are a sushi fan, you know nigiri is the raw fish with the bed of rice underneath.
and if you're an iPhone fan, it is the sushi emoji.
Yes. But nigiri is just the regular rice. We're going to throw our rice in the air fryer. So this is a fun air fryer recipe.
What a twist.
To get things crispy, crunchy, and then we're going to top it with some avocado and ahi tuna. So, as I already just got into the ingredients, other than the avocado and the ahi tuna, you will need some sticky white rice. So, what we mean by that is freshly made, or if you have to go to a Chinese restaurant and buy some.
Oh, it is sticky. Look at it sticking to me.
Because you do not want, like, when you put it in the fridge, it gets hard and takes all the moisture out. And even when you microwave it just truly doesn't get back to that sticky.
Microwave.
Like if you heat it up. So pretty much you have to use fresh rice for this recipe. With the tuna, we're using a tuna loin instead of a tuna steak. It's just a little bit better quality of the tuna. As you can see, it's like a little darker.
Yeah, the tuna steak is good when you're cooking with it.
Yeah.
But to eat raw, I definitely would recommend the
Just
loin.
a little bit higher quality.
I mean, if you can't find the loin, then it's not an emergency. But if you can, just go ahead and splurge. I mean, you only live once. This is Hot Girl Kitchen. This isn't Hot Girl Savings. You know,
No.
so don't come to us for savings advice.
Mm-hmm.
Strictly adhere to the kitchen, cuisine, and alcohol guidance that we so lovingly dole out to you guys.
And to top, we're going to need some sesame seeds and dipping in our soy sauce. And that's it. Very few ingredients.
I'm so excited. The last time I had crispy rice was in the Bahamas at SLS, Baha Mar. And it was so fabulous. It was actually the first and last time I ever had it. And I've been really on the hunt for the perfect crispy rice ever since.
So all we truly have to do to get this rolling is scoop our rice into the ice cube trays to form our little rice. What do you just call this, a doodad?
Yeah, I called it a doodad. I'm not sure what the specific term is.
Now, if we can't get these out, this is going to be a disaster. But we're just
I
gonna.
feel like you need to pack it in a little bit more for it to become our crispy rice that we're just... Oh my god, look at it! Yes! That's exactly what we wanted to see.
I know, okay.
Why do you put it back in?
Oh, okay, I'll show the audience.
This is what we're going for.
Perfect. Never been done. Your fave has never done this, will never do this, is not this quick on her feet and creative.
Especially if your fave is Melissa, because I hate to take credit for this idea, but if you can ask Melissa, after I watched her struggle with this for 90 minutes,
it was
a very long time, and it was very stressful, and it was
messy
and just a little disastrous. It still tasted good, but the process, it was like, is it worth it?
It was time consuming.
Yeah, and so I was like, girl, let's get ice cube trays.
And here we are.
So that was the right decision.
That was the right decision. So what we're going to do is...
I'm like MacGyver. I'm the MacGyver of cuisine.
What we're going to do here is just pack a whole ice cube tray, which if you don't have a spare one, you
can't use your hands. It's just a little bit unpleasant.
Yeah. Or you could just take all the ice out of your current one and use that.
Who needs ice? Just enjoy some room temperature beverages for the day.
Mm-hmm. So once we do this, we will bring you over to the air fryer for our next step.
I'm wondering, so this is literally just white rice, like
white jasmine. Nothing.
No salt, no pepper.
Nothing.
Could you add something if you wanted, like?
But for Asian rice, you wouldn't. You wouldn't.
Oh, we're being authentic.
Yeah, for Asian rice, you would buy jasmine rice and make it as the package says. Or if you have a rice cooker, even better, it'll make exactly like this. Because that's what they do at like Chinese restaurants. But honestly, you won't need to add any. You'll see.
That's interesting.
So now that we have our tray full of our rice, you're going to use a spoon. And now this is why it is so important that you have fresh, sticky rice. This is very important.
So it sticks.
So you press the spoon down and you lift up the little morsel of rice.
What a morsel it is. That looks gorgeous.
And we're just going to try to keep it together.
No.
We
might need to put that one back and do another one for the girls at home.
Yeah, hold on.
Why don't you do the one that we know has been working?
When I'm just pressing it down more so it'll...
I was going to say, why don't you use that one because it's been working for us.
Look.
Look at our morsel.
Ready, morsel, perfect, ready.
Wait, get us another morsel because I was like not... The camera wasn't ready.
So you're going to press down hard.
You absconded with it too quickly.
You're going to press down.
Yes, take it out. Yes. Okay, now show us. Show the audience. Do a model. Yes.
Perfect
Her fave
morsel.
could never. This morsel is scrumptious.
So we're going to place all our little morsels. You might not be able to fit all of these in the air fryer, just however many. Because you don't stack them on top of each other.
Absolutely not. Because then you'll be stuck with a mountain of crispy rice and not nigiri or whatever it's called. Nigiri.
So just keep packing, building your morsels. And once we fill this up, we will let you know how long we're going to cook those.
Trial and error.
So we have our morsels in the bottom of the air fryer.
Yes, morsel come through.
So you're going to put it in your air fryer for temp will be 380, and we're going to cook it for 12 minutes.
We're going to start with 12 minutes, and then we're going to check because the last time we did these, they were good, but we cooked them for 15 minutes, and they were so crispy that we almost broke our teeth. So we're going to try to avoid that experience this time. Also, I love the pills in the background. I hope there's some uppers back there for the girls.
I always turn the label so no one knows what's going on back there.
Oh, mysterious.
Those are actually just vitamins.
Yeah, I know. I can tell by the large size of the bottle. Nothing exciting to see here. Maybe if you Venmo us, we'll take you on a tour of the rest of the home.
The actual pharmacy.
Yeah.
So, what you're going to do here, you can do this however you'd like, but what we're doing is laying our avocado.
I'm so embarrassed.
I'm embarrassed. This is like too thick. We're gonna lay our avocado, whatever you want, people. Get creative. Do your own thing.
I love this intense sense of direction. While we were assembling our, what are these called?
Crispy rice.
Crispy rices, Melissa made a little oopsie and broke the slate, but conveniently this makes the perfect shiv. Does it not? Apparently not, she didn't even say ow.
Ow.
Okay, so.
Well, on that note.
Let's dig in. So this is just soy sauce, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. That divine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to make this at home.
This is a perfect snack. Or like we said, dinner, because we don't eat.
It's very healthy, right?
The rice isn't healthy, but...
Well,
the tuna and avocado is healthy, I guess.
is rice not healthy? Could have fooled me.
It's like sugar. It's the exact same as pasta in rice.
So it's carbs.
So it's sugar.
Well, that's interesting. In case the girls at home were wondering, we only cook these for 8 minutes in the air fryer. They're the perfect amount of crispy, but not break your teeth, you know.
We were going to do 12, but we checked on them and we were like, this works. And that was at 8 minutes, so.
Exactly. It also might depend on your air fryer. So it's definitely a good method to, like, check it in progress and see,
yeah,
is it done or does it need a little more? And on that note, bye now.
Bye-bye.
Real hot girl shit.